Hi everybody and welcome to the demonstration of rDev. rDev is actually some kind of project manager as it aims at coordinating a team working on the same project. So let's take a look at the cool features that we have here. So very first thing I need to do is to register myself as part of a team. So let's quickly create an account. So here are little pieces of information about myself. Here's my programmer identity. So here I need to add some kind of profile picture. Fortunately I have one hanging on the desktop that I can just drag and drop. Okay, that's me. Okay, next step. Some more information about me. In the sheet we are done. This is a summary and data are transmitted to a remote database. We can proceed to the next step. Here is the project organizer. So as I am a brand new user, I don't have any project yet. Never mind, I will create one. Let's call it tea time. It will be a cool flex-based timetable with a starting date and ending date. Repository. So here are all the people that are currently registered into the system. So I can choose to invite them. So let's invite everybody. And let's create the project. Project saved. We want to open this project. Yes. And I will access my workspace. Okay, here we are. So let's take a look at the different components that we have here. So first of all, there is a chat that allows you to chat with your teammates that are displayed here. Okay, I'm the only one online. Then we have the library, which is basically a place where you can easily drag and drop files in order for them to be downloaded and shared across all your team members so that everybody can see them and easily download them. Then we have the snippets part, which is actually some kind of shared clipboard, so you can easily copy and paste pieces of code that you want to discuss about in the chat, for example, so that they won't disappear. You can also post some links on everything that you want to keep trace of, actually. Then we have the task module, which is actually some kind of to-do list, where you can easily add some tasks, assign them to people, follow the advancement and all that. And in the end we have the log, which is able to log any action performed by any user, so that you are always aware of what other people are doing. Let's play a little bit with the features that we have. So the very first thing you might want to do is, for example, to add a new task. So here is the task manager. So you create a new task, enter a subject, enter a description, enter a priority, here 8 out of 10. You can choose to add React files. So here, as I'm talking about database, I'm gonna add some interesting files. Okay, so basically the SQL of the database, the conceptual data model and the physical data model that will be needed in order to perform this task. I'm also adding new files to the library. So a little upload manager with I can enter a description for each file. Then upload. As soon as the upload is complete, the files are automatically appearing in the library. They are pushed actually, so the change will have effect in every client connected. Task is successfully created and appearing in the task list. So I'm done with the task. A cool thing is that as I'm the project leader, I can choose to assign this task to one of my buddies. So for example, let's say Eric. And by a simple drag and drop, Eric is now the assignee of this task. And finally, the log is logging in every action that I'm performing, so that everybody is aware of what I'm doing. Now, let's say I'm a little bit confused about a piece of code. I can easily copy and paste it in the clipboard. to share it with my teammates and discuss about it. Okay, now I've loaded a more advanced project with many more data in it. So here, many files of different types. I still have my task list, and I can filter my task list according to the author or the title. And last but not least, the full screen feature that allows us to go back to our code to do whatever we have to do, with still having the project manager running on top, so we can keep on chatting with our buddies, or we can still check our task list to see what we have to do, pick another task around that, the progress for example, and everything is still available. So here my team, the library, the tasks, and the chat. So this is pretty cool actually. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all for now, but a bunch of new features and improvements are coming pretty soon, so stay tuned and see you next time.